Okay, this is the video demo for the PUBG challenge for Catoff Blinks. Now, the goal is for the to track the kills of each player in a solo match, and they should be in the third person perspective. That's the default for PUBG. Then it's going to record the number of kills, and then once the time has elapsed for the challenge, it will compare with the number of kills there and see how many kills that all the players have done during that particular period of the game. So the first initial player is required to enter the amount of stake. Now let's say it's 1.2 soul. So amount of stake is in soul. Then provide his PUBG in-game username. That's and each player must be registered on Steam. So that is the default for PUBG, the platform Steam. So once the player is registered on Steam, he can use his in-game username, and then from there enter the duration. Then once he clicks create challenge, it will save the game details in a database and then return a transaction for the user to sign. Then when the user signs that particular transaction, it is going to return a URL for the user to be able to share with his friends or colleagues so that all of them can join it. So as you can see, this is the link. So if I copy the link and paste it in another tab, let's take it to another tab. Then if I put it in another tab, you should be able to unfold the blinks that will allow the user to join that particular challenge. So this is the blinks that allow user. So we have the game ID, the duration, then we also have the wager amount, then the total prize pool. It will keep increasing once other players join, and then we also have the remaining time. Then it will also display the leaderboard at that current moment that the blinks has been open. So this is on mainnet and I'm using devnet. So the user is just expected to enter an ID and then join. So I'll take it to my devnet. I'll have to copy the link, the game ID from the link. So the game ID is the last 8 characters at the end of the link. So once I copy the game ID from there, I'll take it to my developer page, and then instead of create, I'll do join. Then I'll give it the game ID as a query parameter. So the game ID is equals to the one I just copied now. So I should see the blink pop up, and then you see the time has reduced to 29 minutes. That means it's working. Then the other user that is supposed to join will enter his username. We'll use this test username again. So once that user enters the username and joins the challenge, so it will return a transaction for the user to sign. Then once the user sign, confirms and sends the required number of wager, it will also give the user a link. That's the second user a link so that he'll be able to share with his friends so that they can also join in the challenge. And that's it.